What's going on YouTube? My name is Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, before we get into this video, what I need you to do is I need you to hit the like button. I need you to ring the notification bell and I need you to subscribe to the channel. And the reason I need you to do that is because this entire channel is dedicated to helping you make money online. I give you tips, tricks, and ways to become an online entrepreneur. And I go through methods of where I failed, where I rose to the occasion, and I try to give you advice on trying to be an online entrepreneur. Try to give you the freedom that you want, what you deserve, and bring in the kind of income that you should be bringing in no matter what. I want you to have all the control over your lifestyle, the freedom that comes with being an online entrepreneur and not having to clock in somewhere and rely on one stream of income. There are multiple streams of income that you could be making online, and that's what this channel is about. So I suggest that you go ahead, you take the time to browse through some of the other videos that I already have. And if you like something, please let me know how you feel below in the comments, and we'll get into it. Today, I want to talk about how to get free PayPal money, like free. Like, what if you could just do something and just get money for it? Do something small, do something that doesn't even take you a whole lot of time to do. I'm talking about free money. Who doesn't like free money? And we're going to get into it. So I'm going to show you, though, I'll show you the way to get the free money first, because I don't want you to have to watch the entire video just for that. But what I also will say is that I'm going to show you some other ways to monopolize the free money. So you'll get the free money, and then I'm going to show you how you can continue to get and build on top of that money, all from the comfort of wherever the hell you want to be. So, all from the comfort of wherever you want to be. So, what's going to happen is we're going to go ahead, get into the video. I'm going to show you a couple things and just follow with me. All right. So the website we're going to look at first, that's right, first, because there's going to be multiple ways that you can get money here. The website we're going to look at first is going to be called Univox. Now, Univox is a survey website, and I know what you're thinking. You've heard the survey thing over and over and over again. You've been to all of the applications and the websites. Trust and believe. No, you have not. This one, I bet you have not been to this one. And the reason you haven't been to this one, and when I talk about free money, join and get $2 automatically. They give you money just by signing up, and that's something that sets this one different, sets this one apart from the rest of the survey websites you probably have seen before. You get money just by being here, and you don't even have to continue on with the application. You should, but you don't have to. But a quick $2, easy. Now, what you're going to do with $2, not too much, but that's why we're going to get into the rest of the application. It's quick. So you get 200 points, which is worth $2, right? You take surveys and then you earn the rewards. And this is probably one of the more streamlined survey sites out there. And there are many others. There are other survey sites that, do provide similar services. But this one definitely is one of the better ones out there, I suggest. And we'll go through a few more, actually. I'll give you a variety. I'll show you around a bit. But you collect 200 points automatically, so they start you off out the gate, and then you just take the surveys and you earn rewards. And the rewards are points, but they can then be transferred into money or gift cards or rewards or things like that. Okay, so you can do Amazon, you can do Visa gift cards, they have restaurant gift cards, but it's really, really good. And they can go through here: PayPal, Virtual MasterCard, Amazon, Tango. It's really important that you get a PayPal account for everything that I'm about to show you. You should just get a PayPal account for, reasons that people need PayPal accounts for. Like, it's just the easier way to get paid and make money doing things, especially over the internet. There are certain, banks that'll give you a hard time depending on what you're trying to buy, what you're trying to purchase on the internet. So if you just get the PayPal, you're good to go. You're straight. So just go ahead, get a PayPal card, make your life a whole lot easier. And it's pretty much the roundabout for this one. It's a really good site. Take surveys. We can go to the App Store and check it out, and just see what the features might be like. So you can see inside the app here. And they have a really streamlined brand. You know, I like the branding. I like the colors. Really easy to use. They have points all the time. They always have things to do. They're one of the ones that don't really run out of things very often. So Univox is the name of the application. You should go ahead, check that out. We'll go to another one actually. And if you already are watching this video to this point, congratulations, you are a go-getter. And I'm going to tell you what my number one recommendation for making money online is. This is really cool stuff. This is going to help you, you know, save up a little bit and put some money away. But if you watch at the end of the video, I'll show you the site that you should go to you know, make money full time. You know, this is full-time income that we're talking about. So we'll get into that. I just want to show everyone else the rest of these sites here. So this one is going to be called Crowdology. And this is something you want to do in your spare time. This is something that you want to, you know, when you're waiting in line or you're, you know, on the couch, you're waiting for your friend, you want to just pick up your phone and start doing this. You know, and this is good for, you know, taking somebody out. You know, it's just, you know, this is the way you make money. You want to monetize yourself. You want to monetize your lifestyle, right? So you don't want to live off of, you know, one income. Every income stream should be serving a particular purpose, right? So what you want to do is you want to make this one, you know, the small tasks. You want to, you know, pick up something to eat really quick, or, you know, you're out on a car ride and it's taking a little while and you just need to stop at, you know, a store to get a snack before you make home, or, you know, you want to go see a quick movie. You know, there's stuff like that. But yeah, you go to Crowdology. It's another survey site. You know, it takes no more than 15, 20 minutes. Some of them even shorter than that. And they give you points. Again, you can earn PayPal, Amazon, and G Codes. That's an up and coming brand. And you do this, you know, you take surveys and they're approved. I'm sure not many of you have heard of this one. I mean, there are a bunch of survey sites out there, but and it's hard to keep up, but I got you covered. Don't worry about it. What you would want to do if you want to really pick this up is you would go to this Crowdology, and then you would go to Univox. You would sign up for both of them. And then you would monetize your free time that way. You know, this is stuff that you do in your free time, things that don't really take you a whole lot of effort. So you go ahead, you do that. Another website we can go to is one that I'm sure everyone is familiar with, but for some reason, it hasn't been getting a lot of shine that I used to see from it. And it's still a fantastic platform. And that's Feature Points. Feature Points is probably one of the best and better survey applications out there. You know, you have Apple and Google Play Store you can get. They've been around for forever, and they're still really good. You know, you don't last this long in this market without having a quality product. Okay, so I would suggest everyone, you know, if you don't do anything else, you know, I know Univox, they give you the $2 just to join, but you know, if you do that and Feature Points, there's no losing with this. You know, they have much better rewards, much more rewards than any of the other sites, and it's just a really good application. Now, you can even go to their their Play Store, and you know, you see the rating is higher than most survey sites you would see out there, and just the branding is good, the interface is good. It's a really quality application, quality product. Now, the only problem with any of this is you have to keep coming back to this. You have to continually, you know, download apps, and you have to continually take the surveys and do all of that work. And what you should rather do is you should have money come to you. So, you know, I think that there's a better way to make a full-time income online as an online entrepreneur and as someone making money on the internet for a really long time. What I suggest that you do is I suggest that you go ahead. There's a link in my description, the very first link in my description, that's going to take you to what I believe is the best way for you to be making a full-time income online today, right now. So that's what I suggest. It's my number one recommendation. It's how I think everyone should be, you know, making money online, and it's a really good way for you to do that as well. So what I suggest you do is click that first link in my description. It's going to take you to what, I think that you should be doing, what everyone should be doing. And it's a high quality product. So my name is Make Money Malik. Be sure to like this video. Be sure to ring the notification bell, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you want to quit that 9-to-5, if you want to have the lifestyle you deserve, if you want to be making money on your own and be an entrepreneur, then you go right ahead and do that. I'm giving you the tips and tricks right here. I'll see you next video. Peace.